May 18th, 2026. A quiet morning in San Diego. Inside the Islamic Center, 140 toddlers are playing in their classrooms. Outside, an unthinkable threat has just arrived at the front gate.
Intruder alert. Main gate compromised.
Oh no! What was that?
Everyone under the desks now. Quickly, quickly. Don't make a sound. Hide.
We cannot ignore this tension any longer.
With the front entrance exposed, 2 unarmed civilian volunteers step directly into the line of sight. Sprinting into the open lot, they intentionally draw the heavily armed attackers' focus away from the classrooms. While the civilian diversion pulled the threat away, security guard AMIN ABDULLAH held the primary line. He refused to step aside. Because of their ultimate sacrifice, the perimeter held, and 140 children went home safely.
Come on out, everyone. It's safe now. Everything is calm.
The authorities arrive, but the scene is already set. A testament to how fast the world changes.